What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I was just trying to list something on eBay, and I think the eBay app is garbage. It says, deliver here. Please provide shipping for your item. How about this? I'm going to select a service. How about small flat rate box? You know what? And I am going to pay for this myself. Offer free shipping. You bet. Done. Oh, nothing shows up there. Select a service. USPS, small flat rate box. Showing up right there. Buyer pays? No. I will pay. No service. Select a service. Look at that. Free shipping. Free for buyer. Done. Please provide shipping. Look, if I hit list it. Oh, something's missing. Valid shipping service must be specified. Yep. eBay. You would think they would have a bunch of software developers. Peter Von Panda out.